Hello and welcome to Learn Moodle Basics. This is the Week 1 tutorial. I'm going to answer the following questions. What is this course and how does it work? And what do I do this week? This is a course for any teacher or educator who would like to learn how to teach with Moodle. You won't find anything here about hosting, administration or anything technical, but you will learn how to use Moodle to help you in your teaching. Perhaps you're an experienced or an expert Moodler. Well, you're very welcome to help the new users within our forums, giving your advice and support. But if you have questions of your own, which are more advanced or more technical, please use the forums on moodle.org so that we can keep our forums here very friendly and welcoming for people new to Moodle. Over the next few weeks, you're going to be both a student and a teacher. You'll be a student in the Learn Moodle Basics course, so you'll join in activities and learn how to use Moodle. And you'll be a teacher in your own practice course, where you can try out these activities. The course is divided into 4 weekly sections. Here is week 1, Getting Started. Work your way through the activities each week, starting with the weekly tutorial and list of tasks you need to do for that week. Each week also has optional activities. You don't have to do them, but you might find them useful. There is a weekly live session where you can come and ask any questions. We'll be using a web conferencing program called Big Blue Button. The live session is optional and will be recorded. Each week also has a forum where you can ask for help about any aspect of the course. The actual learning content of the course each week will be displayed in what Moodle calls books, where you'll see YouTube videos, text to read and links to find out more. This week you're going to learn how to set up your course, add documents if you want to, and understand blocks. There'll be other activities to join in too. If you scroll down to the very bottom of the course page, you'll see a section Extra Resources. Here, you'll be able to download the videos and subtitles if you have problems with YouTube. Now, for the most part, you can work your way through the weekly activities at your own pace, but please read the course FAQ to see how to display deadlines and session times in your own time zone so you don't miss anything. There is an activity starting in week 2 with deadlines in weeks 3 and 4. It's a peer assessment activity called a workshop. It has several stages and it will only be marked complete at the end of week 4. You first submit some work yourself. Don't worry, the task will be very simple. And later in the course, you will assess the work of some other participants. Again, we've made the assessing easy so you can focus on experiencing this Moodle activity and not be concerned about grades and grading. Your grades are not important. You may have seen, as here, that some activities have a box over on the right. These have a solid line border and these boxes have a dotted line border. They're very important because they tell you and us when you've completed the activities. For the boxes with a solid line border, you must click on them when you're satisfied you've done the task and a tick or check mark will appear. For the boxes with a dotted line border, they will automatically display a tick or check mark when you meet the criteria of that activity. If you complete all these activities, including participating in a peer assessment workshop activity, and you get check marks in all the boxes, you'll receive a badge and a certificate of completion. If you miss the deadlines for the workshop, but you do all the other activities, you'll receive a certificate of achievement. So that's how you'll be using Moodle as a student in the Learn Moodle Basics course. Now how to use it as a teacher. This week, we'd like you to go into the course and find the page Request a Practice Course and click on the button to request your own practice course. You can also do this from the link in the Week 1 tutorial and tasks page. This screen will appear and you must add details of the course you want us to create for you. Full name is the name which shows in large in the top of your course and short name will be the name in the navigation bar. The full name and short name can be the same, or else the short name can be an abbreviation of the full name. You can call your course what you like, but don't call it Learn Moodle because that's our course name and it will create confusion. How about something connected to your work, or a personal interest of yours, or your family, or a holiday? Add a short sentence to describe it and then click to request your course. After a while, you'll receive an email with a link to your new course. Then work your way through the books each week and you can try out those activities in your course, and if you struggle, then ask for help in the weekly forums. So that's nearly everything. Don't forget, we have a Learn Moodle mobile app too, which you're welcome to try. So hopefully now you're clear about what this course is and how it works and what to do this week. So now it's time to get started. See you soon.